Occasions, you can reduce the temptation to check your phone and break the cycle of addiction. 5. Use technology to help break the cycle. Ironically, technology can also be used to help break the cycle of addiction. There are many apps and tools available that can help you track your technology usage and reduce your dependence on your phone. For example, the app Moment tracks how much time you spend on your phone and provides reminders to take breaks. Additionally, apps like Forest help you stay focused by planting virtual trees that grow when you stay off your phone. 6. Practice self-reflection. Another effective way to break the cycle of mobile addiction is to practice self-reflection. Take a moment to reflect on the nature of your addiction and consider the impact it is having on your life. 7. Engage in physical activity. Engaging in physical activity is a great way to reduce your dependence on mobile devices and improve your overall health and well-being. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural chemicals in brain that produce feelings of pleasure and happiness. By engaging in regular physical activity, you can reduce your need for instant gratification provided by your phone and improve your mood and mental state. 8. Seek support. Breaking the cycle of mobile addiction can be challenging, and it's important to have support along the way. Consider reaching out to friends and family members who can provide encouragement and accountability. Additionally, there are many support groups and resources available for individuals struggling with addiction. Seeking professional help can also be a valuable resource in breaking the cycle of addiction. 9. Create a support system. Apart from seeking support from family and friends, it is also essential to create a support system that can help you break the cycle of addiction. There are several online communities and groups dedicated to helping individuals reduce their dependence on mobile devices. Joining these groups can provide a sense of community and accountability, and individuals can share their experiences and provide support to one another. 10. Embrace boredom. As individuals, we often try to fill every moment of our lives with some form of entertainment or stimulation. However, this constant need for stimulation can lead to increased mobile addiction. By embracing boredom, we can reduce our dependence on technology and find pleasure in the simple moments of life. Take a break from technology and spend time engaging in activities like meditation, daydreaming, or simply enjoying nature. 11. Set realistic goals. Breaking the cycle of mobile addiction is not an overnight process. It takes time and effort to reduce our dependence on technology. It's important to set realistic goals and be patient with the process. Start by setting small goals like reducing your phone usage for an hour a day, and gradually increase the duration as you progress. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small, and use them as motivation to continue the process. 12. Take breaks. Taking breaks from technology is essential for our mental and emotional health. Set aside time each day to disconnect from technology and engage in activities that promote relaxation, such as reading, taking a walk, or spending time with loved ones. Taking breaks from technology can help reduce stress and anxiety and improve our overall quality of life.